Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. I'm Michael, and this is my first official weigh-in for SHEDWARS21. Yeah, guys, Team Aquarius, go! Y'all on Team Will It Not Grow? Yeah, I'm in your gardens. Y'all don't see me, but I see y'all. I'm talking to you, Sarah, of the Big Blue House Homestead. Yeah, you don't see me. I see you. Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. I'm Michael. My nephew Colton's behind the camera today. And well, guess what? It's weigh-in day. Well, for me it is. For SHEDWARS21, y'all. Team Aquarius. Yeah, go Team Aquarius, go! Yeah, see guys, yeah, I got to add some more weight to this total. See, we come out here the other day and picked a bunch of squash, and well, it's time to pick some more too. So I figured I'd pick it before I weighed. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and pick me some squash. Just like this. And I'm going to jump into super frog mode, get her done, and then we're going to go to the weigh-in, y'all. All right, guys, so we are going to be doing our weigh-in with the squash that I picked the other day and the new squash from today. Now, as you can see, I have some chickens in the background. I'll be starting their count starting tomorrow. So let's go ahead and weigh the other stuff that we got the other day. Little bit. Over a pound. Still over a pound. 2 pounds. I'm gonna be happy if I get to 3 pounds. 3.5 pounds, y'all. 3.5 pounds for what I picked the other day. All right, so 3.5 pounds. Let's take this off. Now my scales are zeroed out with the container on top. So that's the reason why it looks like it's back behind the 0 mark or 11 mark. I really gotta get some digital scales. All righty. Zeroing back out. There we go. Time for the new stuff. That one ball is not wanting to stay put. Let's put something else in there first. There we go. Oh, there you want to go backwards. At 2 pounds. Almost at 3. Am I going to hit 3? I'm at 3.25 pounds, y'all. So a total of 6.75 pounds. A total of 6.75 pounds, y'all. SHEDWARS21, Team Aquarius, adding 6.75 pounds to y'all's weight. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all joining in to my first official weigh-in video for SHEDWARS21. And guys, I tell you, I've been watching some of the Team It Won't Grow, I'm sorry, Team Will It Grow. I promise, it was an honest mistake, y'all. But I've been watching some of y'all's videos. Yeah, it looks like Froggy gonna have a run for his money. Not. All right, guys, if I wanna beat y'all, I gotta get back to work. So this has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler and Team Aquarius saying, y'all have a froggy day.